reusing, and recycling. So again, in caring for our environment, we need to consider these three things in order for us, to take good care for our environment. So these are the three R's. We have reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay, now, so with the invention of disposal items, humans of the 21st century have completely forgot about the importance of reducing, reuse, and recycling. Yes, of course, because today we are in the 21st century and everything around us is high tech. No? And without knowing, we already throw those things which we can use it again. No, those are what we call disposable things. Huh? So, well, it's 21st century already. So again, may I ask you, what are those three R's to be considered? We have reduce, recycle, and reuse. Very good. Now, the question is, what is disposable? Now, see, what is disposable? So, disposable, those are the things that you can, for example, you will buy a plastic plate, a plastic cup, a plastic bottle. You can use it once. And then after using that one, you will throw that one away. That is disposable. So you can see disposable things around you. Plastic spoons, plastic bottles, and everything. You know, here in this world, we are surrounded by many disposable things. So you can use it once and then you can throw away. But here's the thing: disposable things can be used again, or you can use that one over and over and over again. So that is what we call reusing. And sometimes when you see trash around you, you can pick that one up. For example, you are very good in planting and you lack of vase. So what you're going to do, you go around, you roam around, and you will get some plastic bottles and make that one as your vase. See, that is what we call recycling. So you can recycle things in your own simple way. Again, what is disposable? Disposable, those are the things that you can only use once and then you will throw that one away. But disposable things can be reused again. So that is disposable. Next, why? The question is why reuse, reduce, and recycle? Okay, I will give you like 10 seconds. Why? WHY. Why are we going? Why we need to reduce? Why we need to reuse? Why we need to recycle things? Very good. Okay, now the answer is this: the waste that humans produce and do not recycle go to landfill sites. A landfill site is filled up over time and then covered with soil and grass when it is full because of the lack of oxygen that the landfill receives. The waste does not rot normally. So those are the things that cannot be, melted, that cannot be rotten easily. So those are landfills. Instead, the waste releases the smelly gas called methane. The gas can contribute to global warming and is very harmful to the environment. Yes. Why we need now? Now we have the answer why we need to reduce, reuse, and recycle because of this. Because if we are not going to reuse, if we are not going to reduce, and we keep on, digging holes and then put that one under, under the ground, it will still, it will, it is still harmful to our environment because it will release gases, and that gas, it's called methane, and that is very dangerous to our health. This one is methane right here. Can you see? So That is one of the very dangerous gas that will really that trash can produce, and that is very dangerous for our health. Okay, now reduce. I know you have any idea. I know that you have already an idea what is reducing. Okay, so these are the examples. So now I will give you time to read it in your own. So you have like 30 seconds to read that one. Then if you have a note with you, you can take out your notes and then can take notes. Reduce is defined as to make smaller or less amount. See? Reduce to make smaller or less amount. We already talked this one last time in my previous video that I sent to you. We talked about this one. But now this one is quite precise and quite specific. The meaning of reducing is, I'm giving you right now a specific meaning of reduce. Finish? Okay, now I will stop now the reading thing. I will give you time to read with your own. Are we done here? Finish? Okay, last 10 seconds. 10, 9. Oh, that's quite long. Okay, let's go to the next one. Reuse. Okay, reuse is defined as capable of being used again. Okay, the word reuse here. The word reuse is so um, obvious. So reuse, it means you are going to use that one again. And down below is I give some examples so that you will know what are the things that you are going to reuse, and to be specific, you will know what is reuse or what is reusing. Okay, 15 seconds. Guys, from now on you need to practice your reading skills, because we have because of this pandemic thing around us, you need to practice. You need to be used to it, on how to read fast as you can. You know? That's what we call reading comprehension. And while you are reading, be sure that you understood what you are reading. It's not just about reading. It's all about understanding what you read. Okay? Next, we have here recycle. Recycle is defined as to treat or process used or waste materials so as to make suitable for reuse. Again, recycle is defined as to treat or process used or waste materials so as to make suitable to reuse. So recycle things. Make this one is, shall we say, the what do you call it? This is the support mechanism of reusing. Again, recycle, actually reuse, reuse, recycle is quite the same. But remember, recycle is the support mechanism of reusing. Okay, that's why the reason why we recycle things, so that we can reuse those used things again. For example, we have a disposable things. Again, disposable, those are the things that you can use once or twice, then throw it away. And by recycling, instead of throwing that one away, you can reuse that one through the help of recycling. That is what we call support mechanism. So this reusing and recycling, these two goes together. Am I clear here? Okay, if I'm not clear, you can do some research from YouTube so that you will understand more what are these 3 R's means. 3 R's means. reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay. So what to recycle? We have aluminum cans, newspaper, metals, paper, cardboards, glass, plastic, steel cans, tin cans. Okay. Finish. You get me, guys? Okay, now let's go to the next one. Now, since we talk about 3 hours, so here are the things that you are going to do. Okay? Do you want to do this one? You want to do this activity? Yes or no? I don't hear you. Yes or no? Okay, so okay, print. Okay, print a chart that help track when you reduce, reuse, or recycle. Place a check in the box with a date when you make one of these environment saving choices. Okay, now. So if you have time to do this one, I give you until Sunday to do this activity. Is it clear? Just put your put a date on it, and then check it if you reduce, if you recycle things, or if you reuse things. Okay, this is just okay. You can use your notes. You can use your any applications which is convenient for you to use. So you can use any applications and then send it to me through CISO. You will have be sure to make this activity, and then I will give you until Sunday to work on it. Am I clear? Okay, now that's it. So again, this is our activity again. Okay, now if you have some questions, okay, Ping Ping asked me what is disposable. So when you go to the internet, when you search disposable, it will come out there trash. Well, that is correct. Again, disposable, those are the things that you are going only to use once or twice. And after that, you will throw that one away. And next question is, how can you use that trash again? By what? By re Very good. By recycling things. Again, this reuse and recycle goes together because reuse needs recycle in order for us to use things again. Okay, please answer this activity. You have until Sunday to finish this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no need to fill up that 7 as long as, please read the instruction carefully so that you will understand, okay, the mechanics of this activity. Have a nice day, guys, and stay safe. Thank you for listening.